welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the new followers. Thank you, guys. Look what we have here. We got a little freezer that is icing up and it was leaking water into the fridge. So I took it apart. We found out the drain was actually blocked. It was iced up real bad. So what I did is I took it apart, and how to clear this up, we're going to use the steamer. So stay tuned so you guys can see the whole thing, the whole process. So check this out, check this out. Alright, so I'm gonna melt the ice around. The steamer does the job. If you don't have a steamer, you can actually boil some water, just drop it there, and that is perfect. That will do just fine. It takes a little bit of time. This video here, I cut out some parts, but it usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour. But yeah, you see that end work right there? That's it. We're gonna put it all back together. It's gonna be looking beautiful. Alright guys, make sure you share the video. Let's make it to 1,000, and I will continue making some videos. Thank you for the support, and I will see you guys on the next one. Check this out, check this out. It's really nice. Look at that. Whirlpool makes some beautiful product. Bye bye. Bye bye.